Mastering the Art of BCC, Email Etiquette. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve into a critical aspect of email writing, using the BCC feature. This seemingly small feature can significantly influence your email's overall professionalism, and it's vital to use it appropriately. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's a way of sending emails to multiple recipients without disclosing everyone's email addresses to each other. The BCC field in an email hides the email addresses of the recipients you've added. This means that if you send an email to person A and BCC person B, person A will not know that person B received the email too. This function is extremely useful when privacy is a concern, but it's also critical to use it appropriately to avoid misunderstandings. Knowing when to use BCC is essential. Here are some situations where using BCC is appropriate. 1. Large groups. If you're emailing a large group of people, it's often better to BCC everyone. This helps maintain everyone's privacy by keeping their email addresses hidden. 2. Privacy. In situations where the recipients don't know each other or when there is no need for them to have each other's email addresses, it's best to use BCC. 3. Preventing reply all responses. Sometimes, a single reply can snowball into a series of reply all responses. To prevent this, use BCC. Remember, do not use BCC to secretly include someone in a conversation or to avoid confrontation. This can lead to trust issues and is generally considered unprofessional. In the professional world, email etiquette is very important. Here are a few tips for using BCC professionally. Always ask for permission. Before adding someone to BCC, especially in a professional setting, ask if they are okay with it. This will avoid any confusion or potential issues. Transparency is key. Let the primary recipient know that you are also sending the email to others using BCC, without revealing the exact email addresses. This creates a level of transparency and trust. The BCC field can be a very useful tool when used appropriately, providing privacy and preventing unnecessary reply all responses. However, misuse can lead to trust issues and confusion. So remember, always aim for professionalism and transparency in your emails. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident using BCC in your email communications. As always, happy learning, and see you in our next video.